we're up here at the part of our pumpkin patch, and I took my disc and the old Ford and kind of breaking them weeds up. I've tilled it a couple times. You can see how loose it is, but I was going to heal it, but that thing kind of made some natural heals, so we're just going to put it in the high spots there and leave it like it is. And I think we got good spacing, at least 6 foot between the rows. So we're going to plant our big pumpkins right now. It's we've kind of calculated when we need to do it, and we're actually maybe what, 4 or 5 days behind. So we're gonna get these planted, and we'll tell you what we're planting, and get it done, and then we get time, we might plant some more. All right, well, I think we'll start on row 2 here, and the first variety we're gonna do is Kratos. They don't have a whole lot of those. They are treated, and this is from Morgan County Seeds. So probably usually do 3 per hill on squash. I guess I'll do the same. What about, I think we got 6 foot between the rows, and I'm gonna go about 4 foot between the pumpkins. And I think Kratos is a big jack-o'-lantern. That worked out good. All right. So I think we'll do Gold Rush. It's 100 of these, probably just the rest of this row. So we're gonna start with Gold Rush. It's 120 days. These are treated also. Got these from Morgan County. All right, I finished those up, and I had some left over from last year. I think these are Gold Rush too. These are from Rupp. So I'm gonna finish this row out. We're about halfway, would you say? Mm-hmm. And then I've got some that I'll show you just for fun. And I might take the rest of these, I don't know. But I'm gonna start a new row out with those. So when we get up there, I'll show them to you. I didn't quite make it, but the next one we're going to do is called the Big Macs. And these are just kind of for fun. They're supposed to, holy cow, there's a lot of seeds. Supposed to be those big 2,300 pound, whatever. Big old pumpkins like you see on Facebook or whatever. Seeds were cheap. I said, let's give them a try. I get a big old 2,300 pound pumpkin. So we got 3 more varieties we're going to do. We've got these for the 14th, but today's the 10th, so we're going to go ahead and do them. So this one's a Cinderella, and you know what a Cinderella pumpkin is. So I don't know how many of these are. 105 days, 1 ounce. So. These are not treated. Okay, the next is Spooky. I guess that's a white pumpkin. So. And yeah, these. And our next is a small sugar. I think this is this for pie?
I don't know.
Can't remember. So our next varieties are the in 12 days. So we want to get these in today. Supposed to get a few days of rain. So. Plus we're kind of behind. That's it. Okay, so we basically got the 2 outside rows left. I can't remember how many pumpkins we got left. You didn't look. So we was actually gonna put our watermelons here and pumpkins down there, but we kind of got behind on picking our cold cross, and I'll pick them all this weekend. And we'll put our watermelons down there. We might put some pumpkins down there. But we got our 2 outside rows, and so we'll know where to start. All right, appreciate you watching. They're our first pumpkins for 2026. Hopefully they'll be ready by the fall. We'll have our mums, and we'll have hopefully we'll do better than we did last year. So that old tractor, it did pretty good. It actually pulled that old cutting harrow really good. Had to give it a little throttle, but you know, it didn't struggle. But it actually cut it up really good. I was really surprised. I was going to cut the weeds up with it and then get the healer and make some heels, but they're already there. So all right, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.